Hello everyone and welcome to another Elliott Wave Forecast Charts of the Day video. My name is Eric and today is the 13th of June around 10:25 p.m. Eastern Time, and we're gonna cover today the S&P 500. Charts of the Day is a session within Elliott Wave Forecast in which around 11 p.m. Eastern Time we do we share the analysis of one of our 78 instruments. Like yesterday, it was about copper. Today is gonna be the S&P. We do the video, we explain the charts, and we explain the view, so the followers around the world can have a free analysis in our view about one particular instrument. The S&P 500 is trending higher, and as we have been explaining to members, it's too early to determine if the correction from the peak in 2022 it has ended. This is the weekly bar. These are the weekly bar in the S&P, and we are in Elliott Wave Forecast at this stage considering two scenarios: that the correction ending, or that the instrument is doing a flat from these lows around the summer of last year, that the instrument is gonna do 5 waves on the C wave and then pull back and define the weekly chart. We are very bullish the indices. No question asked. You have never seen Elliott Wave Forecast bearish the indices, but we do understand that the indices do end in doing correction. And flat happens, all right? For example, you can make the case that in the pullback in 2020, the S&P did a flat. It was clear back in history, right, getting back in time, that in 2009, the decline here was part of the flat, right? What? And now you look at the decline. Now, in this case, it was a regular flat. It make a new high and expand the flat, it make a new high, and then fell very hard. Then in 2020, but in this case, in 2023, the S&P can be doing a flat as a connector. Why? Because the lows here comes with momentum divergence, and we do not like that. So we won't be surprised that after finishing 5 waves from here, that the S&P is gonna break this line right here, this low, and then rally. This is how a flat looks like in the Elliott Wave theory. Is 3, 3, and 5, and the C wave needs to be a 5. And this is when professional traders now understand the market. No matter what the end result will be here, a flat as a connector or the new trend higher, it needs to finish first the advance from October 2022. And that's why we are looking at this chart right here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, and 5. We believe that the S&P is doing a nest from the lows, and it has a double nest that is the red degree, another nest in the black, and now we're getting the separation higher. So our view is that around 43.98, we're gonna end right there the cycle from either 524 or the cycle from 504. If we look at the RSI, it's linear to the outside. It has erased all momentum, strain, or all the peaks from in the RSI. And if we look at the stochastic, right here, it's in the middle of what we call the snake. So the S&P is within a wave 3 higher, which is represented in 1 hour this way, and I'm expecting within the next few sessions a series of choppiness in which a series of 3, 4, and 3 different degrees can be resolved in red, and black, and blue, and then it will make here another, and the levels, the first level is 43.98. I mean, it can extend higher with the net. It can extend higher, but it should end the cycle from here first, then from here, then from here, then from here, before a significant pullback like this one and more outside. So professional traders are analyzing the sequence of the S&P, and I'm saying no matter what the end is, the S&P should do a series of 3, 4, and 5, and more upside will be seen. The time will tell if we complete it here or this is a trap with the bulls. And then the bull's gonna be shaken again. It's gonna do then a connector and as a flat, and then reach around 34, 32 before higher. But no matter what the end result is the message of the video. More outside in a series of 3, 4, and 5 should be seen, and we might be in the middle of wave 3 of 3 of 3 in the S&P. That's our video. If you like the video, join us with the 14-day trials, and you would be able to get analysis about the market in 78 instruments, right? We cover 78 instruments. The trial only cover 26, but you will be able to get this analysis in detail for the instruments that you choose within the group that you pick, right? So that's the video for today. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys all. Remember, being professional. Thank you guys.